Cold starts are secretly destroying your engine and you don't even know it. You might think, I just started my car and drove to work, what's the big deal? Well, if you're making these 5 cold start mistakes, you could be shaving 15,000 to 25,000 miles off your engine's life. That's the difference between a car that lasts and a car that leaves you stranded. Hey, welcome back to Auto Repair, your go-to garage for smart drivers who want to save money, avoid breakdowns, and keep their car running like new. Let's dive into 5 cold start mistakes that are silently killing your engine and how to avoid them like a pro. Mistake number 1. Revving a cold engine. Mistake number 1. Revving the engine right after starting it. Sounds harmless, right? But here's what's really going on inside. When your engine is cold, its metal parts, pistons, cylinders, everything are slightly contracted. They're engineered to work best at full operating temperature. So when you rev it cold, those tight parts slam against each other. That rattling you hear? That's piston slap. And over time, it leads to scored cylinder walls and worn piston rings. Mistake number 2. Long idling to warm up. Here's one that might surprise you. Letting your car idle for 10 minutes before driving. People think it helps, but it's actually hurting your engine. When idling cold, your engine runs rich, burning extra fuel, some of which seeps past the piston rings and dilutes your oil, and the engine warms up painfully slowly. Instead, start your car, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently. That gets the oil flowing and the engine warming up properly. Unless you're planning to cook breakfast on your exhaust pipe, there's no reason to let your car sit there and warm up forever. Mistake number 3. Using the wrong oil. Let's talk oil. Not all oils are created equal, especially in cold weather. If your oil is too thick, it moves slowly when cold. That means metal on metal contact during startup while your oil pump struggles to circulate. Even synthetic oil needs help. So, always use the manufacturer recommended viscosity, no guessing. In winter, that's more critical than ever. Mistake number 4. Short trips on. Next, starting your car, driving 3 minutes, and shutting it off. You're not doing your engine a favor, you're actually letting moisture and fuel build up in the oil. Engine hasn't run long enough to burn that junk off, so your oil breaks down faster and corrosion creeps in. Plan longer drives when you can or batch your errands. Your engine and your bank account will thank you. Mistake number 5. No warm up before hard driving. Finally, never go full throttle before the engine is warm. Wait until the temperature gauge hits normal. For turbo engines, give it even more time. Before building boost, the first few minutes matter the most. Drive gently, keep RPMs under 2,500, and let the oil fully circulate before pushing it. Look, I've rebuilt enough engines to see the pattern. The ones that fail early? Almost always victims of poor cold start habits. Treat your engine right when it's cold, and it'll reward you with years of smooth, reliable performance. If this video helped you avoid a costly mistake, hit that subscribe button for weekly tips that protect your car and your wallet. This is Auto Repair, where smart drivers come to win. See you in the next one.